Now, moving on to this lo-fi part, this is a fun one. This is something that I do for bridge sections every now and then.
I feel the cold sting of your leaving, and it's dragging me down. For what I've done, you won't forgive me. I guess I'll bury myself!
Cool. So what I did there was I ran it through a Waves GTR amp, and I printed it. I got it sounding nasty and gross and really affected, and then I will go through and process it after the fact. I re-amped my vocal. Just to be clear, I re-amped my vocal to give it that effect. I didn't run it through some special vocal distortion. I ran it through a guitar amp. Sometimes when you need something and you think, oh man, I wish I want it to sound like it run through a guitar amp, just run it through a guitar amp, you know what I mean? That's the best case scenario sometimes. So after that, I'm using a Waves Q10 to filter out lows and highs, give some resonant boosts, and cut out some weird frequencies here and in the boxiness. So let's go ahead and bypass this and hear what just the re-amped vocal sounds like.
I feel the cold sting of your leaving, and it's dragging me down. For what I've done, you won't forgive me. I guess I'll bury myself!
So there was a lot of this, there is a delay on the actual track too that I had printed. But however, oh, this is going through the singing track. That's why there's delay. Either way, this vocal has some very low frequency resonant already. It's following the main vocal note, which is fine, but I'm gonna go ahead and engage this EQ, and let's hear what it sounds like.
I feel the cold sting of your leaving, and it's dragging me down. For what I've done, you won't forgive me.
Now, it sounds like it's coming through a radio, and that's probably this band 8 resonance boost that I added.
I feel the cold sting of your leaving, and it's dragging me down.
Now, a lot of what I do in my productions is to find the annoying frequencies and to remove them. I found the annoying frequency and boosted it. That way I can bring it down in level, add some delay to it, some creative work, and make it sound really cool and make it quiet without taking anything away, because I'm adding these annoying frequencies that will be much louder and much more apparent. So let's go ahead and have a look at what I'm doing here for my H delay. I have a slap functioning H delay setup, but it's not a slap delay given that it's far too long to be a slap delay. But let's go ahead and have a listen to what it's doing. I'm using it in line, but I'm blending it about 30%. I also have the output gain about 3 decibels down. I'm filtering the delayed signal at 700 hertz, so nothing below it is going to be passing and nothing above 1860 will be passed either. There's no modulation, there's no ping pong. I do have the lo-fi engaged, however. So let's go ahead and have a listen.
I feel the cold sting of your leaving.
That's the kind of delay that I wanted to have, kind of like a springy, bouncy delay.
I feel the cold sting of your leaving, and it's dragging me down. For what I've done, you won't forgive me. I guess I'll bury myself!
Cool.